The university is actually quite good and encouraging to develop as many kind of different workshops, conferences and those sorts of opportunities that develop transferable skills, but also skills in terms of becoming a researcher that can navigate not just their own research but also the research field. One of the initiatives that I got involved in was my cooperation with the Centre for Contemporary Buddhist Studies at the University of Copenhagen.
I've always wanted to study politics, particularly in Manchester, as I'm interested in gender politics, and this is where the suffragette movement began. As part of my PhD, I had the opportunity to engage in a 4-month internship in Parliament. The placement really helped me to think of myself as an academic in a world of policy making. I also had the opportunity to undertake a 1-month overseas institutional visit, which was a funded programme to go and work with an academic at Purdue University in Indiana.
I really wanted to expand my networks internationally, and my supervisors were very helpful in allowing me to reach out and not limit me. It kind of allows us to tap into collaborative initiatives and projects outside of Manchester, but also create an impact both locally and internationally.
As part of my research, I had the opportunity to go to America, funded by the university, to conduct research at different archives and libraries, but also to network with the scholars there, and also to learn how research is being conducted over there and what are the challenges of people living with HIV or living at risk of HIV in that country, and how I can incorporate those experiences into my own research.